Hello.
Hello? I have found the money.
What? I hope you are not playing games with me this time around.
I found the money. How can I be joking about this? Come for your money, okay? Let me just bring your money to you. So that this whole money issue would end and let me have my peace.
Alright. I will text you a location. My boys will come for you in 2 hours time.
I told him that he should be very careful because I am the registrar of the institution. And because of the 50% they made the principal deduct from our salary, I will show them who is their boss.
Do you know I have information? I have information on Akpakli. Akpakli's wife and the children are in the village.
So he has left the wife
In the village.
in the village.
Let us warn him. After that, let's go and bring the wife and the children here in this school.
You are dragging this thing like a woman. What be this? Charlie, dog, that thing. See, he disrespected my woman. I'm not going to disrespect Teresa. Why should he disrespect Nasara? I they call my woman thief.
Women will always come and go.
Smoke that thing.
But hey, friends will always be around.
If I grow, you know, be my friend, I go marry. Be woman. Love contest, so I didn't see that thing.
You don't talk about love.
Charlie, how you go do now?
Charlie, let this thing go.
Charlie, one is a brother. Okay, the more it's matter, I go talk, I go be
Young woman. Young woman. Who are you? Larissa. What do you do? What do you do? Are you a student? Model. With which agency? That's it. Now, where did you get this? Come talk. Anyway, you seem a smart girl. I will have use of you. Look at him. Get to that wall. Get to that wall. Put the bag down. And 10. Hold the wall.
And it's Hilda.
Oh, Hilda, that's a nice name.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you again.
Yeah, my pleasure. Oh, so good to see you.
Yeah, great to see you too. You look glamorous.
Oh, thank you. You don't look bad yourself.
Thank you.
Oh wow! So I invited you here because I wanted to tell you that the money has been found. Yeah, and then like I promised, I did my best to resolve this case, and your image was in no way tarnished.
I'm really impressed.
Thank you.
Really impressed. But on such short notice, you managed to find the money.
Yeah, you know, that's me.
I owe you.
Yeah, you do.
How did the money get to this school? $5,000? How did students get this money? Who brought it to the district?
Mr. Poinson. To answer that question, When we are together alone, what do you think?
Madam, this is scandalous.
Come on, Mr. Boyson. See, you're single.
It is supposed to be honest. What if somebody badges?
Hold on, let me
Badges you?
okay. Mr. Boyson.
So sorry, you had to submit my media marketing assignment before getting here.
So long.
Hey, what happened to your nose?
I had a little misunderstanding with the boys.
What happened?
Myself and Jason had a little quarrel, and one thing led into another. He punched me in the face. But
He what?
come on, babe, relax. Okay, it's nothing.
And then what did you do about it?
Initially, I wanted to report to the dean, but I changed my mind on that because it's Jason.
I insist you do that.
Teresa, I said I have this under control. We're guys. We have issues once in a while. Okay?
Okay, fine.
Let's forget
Say
this.
so.
So why do you still have that look on your face? Come on.
Fine.
About what you said you wanted to find out on the media law, I was able to lay my hands on something. The trial, it says once the indictment has been confirmed, the case will proceed.
Hey, Sisi, I forgot to tell you this. The last time at the mall, I saw someone who really looked like Nasara.
Really?
Serious, oh. I even forgot to tell you.
That reminds me.
What?
Where's that missing 5,000 US dollars? Has been found.
Bismillah Rahim Rahim. Where?
In their room, of course. But the question is, who stole the money?
This is not how I do business. I did not come here for this kind of...
I know, but see, let's just do this together.
I am not here for these pleasantries and flirtations. What is this? I came here because of my daughter and my good name.
I know. See, Mr. Boyson.
Could you respectfully step back? I can't believe this. Is this what you teach your students?
Mr. Boyson.
Please hold it. Is this the way you entertain your guests? And let this be the last time you ever try this kind of games on me.
Mr. Boyson.
Hold it.
You owe me one.
Come on,
you know
come
that.
on. I'm disappointed. Come on.
Mr. Boyson, the fact that I'm doing all these things with you doesn't mean that anybody that comes here, I do same with them.
Anyway, your lunch will come. My boys to bring them to you.
Are you serious?
Don't let this happen here. Is that right? Be a lady next time. Good day.
How can he tell me to be a lady? Why, what am I? Such a disappointment.
So we accused someone's daughter for nothing.
The most amazing part of all is that the money was found in Elikem's bag.
Then I guess the man didn't get missing.
Of course.
They probably misplaced it somewhere.
And as if that's not all, I heard armed robbers banged into their room.
What? Armed robbers?
Right now, the hostel is becoming
Oh, my sister, we are not safe at all.
Not at all. I'm already prepared. Because I have weapons and everything. I'm going to defend myself with it.
You and that Zongo life.
Oh yeah, of course. Now you just be there. Just be there and be saying that's the good one.
Hi, my name is Joseph Ajao Chibe. I'm currently at Metro Television as the animator and a visual editor. All thanks to GH Media School for turning my dreams into reality. So all potential editors, filmmakers, or journalists at home, please don't waste your time elsewhere. There's only one school, GH Media. Pursue your talent, nurture your desire.
guy, what's up?
Why they come like you can't chew me up? Why would they follow you?
Can't talk, bro.
What's up?
My guy, you see that tall girl I put for the poteada?
Yeah.
Some nice that girl be.
Yeah.
Daniela.
The Labro girl, yeah, the Labro.
Charlie, by you, why?
I be the girl, she be Labro girl.
I see the girl for the corridor top today.
Yeah.
Where I approach the girl. The girl do me, I hold me, Osman. Every time the girl they yawa me.
My guy, listen. Sometimes go come, if they come closer to me, that I go run away from you. Say go, why you go make one girl they disgrace you for campus like that? See me, this thing go affect me, so I go to run away from you. What be this? I shall give you self. Why would you be dying over one fish when there are lots of fishes in the sea?
See, make I talk you. What fish did they see inside? But for no say some fish, they jump past some. Go Biz Morris. Me for this school, the girls are clear like half blood.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But something did that girl in body. How she dey walk,
yeah.
how she dey talk,
Yeah.
My guy.
That is some.
Okay, thank you very much for coming.
Thank you, my registrar.
This meeting is actually brief. I called for the meeting so that we can congratulate Mr. Asare for finding or helping find the $5,000 in the hostel. So thank you very much, Mr. Asare, for
I used the South African model 443. Yeah, so I used 4 students to do the investigation, the preliminary ones, and then I used 4 students for them to investigate. Then I used 3 lecturers, Mr. D, Mr.
Let him finish.
And then Mr. Pomu. So they got things in order, and then by the grace of God, we just saw the money. Yes.
Mr. D, I can't believe that the two of you call us here for this meeting just to waste our time.
The registrar is talking and he called for the meeting. Allow him to chair the meeting. Allow him to talk.
Are you saying that me, the registrar, I am wasting your time? Is that what you're saying? I have called for a meeting and telling me that I'm wasting your time. Mr. Buckley, you have to know your place.
Mr. Adi, sometimes I look at you, I don't understand. How can he be sitting here talking about a 442, a 434, a 343, as if we are playing a football match?
That is the tactics he used, and he's informing us.
I'm disappointed in both of you. You called us here to congratulate him for doing nothing. I never knew there were awards for laziness.
Has the money been found?
It has.
Where was the money found?
In the hostel.
Who is in charge of the hostel?
Mr. Asare.
My jurisdiction.
So what is your problem?
I remember we sat on this same issue and you refused to take responsibility for that. Now that the glory has come, you want to carry it on your head?
I was at the meeting and he said categorically that he has started investigation.
That's right. And
so
therefore, allow me to investigate.
Yes, and if the money has been found, who should we give the credit to?
See, guy, you cannot fall in love. See, that girl could dejawa you today, tomorrow, every day till you go die.
Yeah, make yawa me. I dey like.
Hey, you make serious, so guy, we don't fall in love. What you do like that? Forget this girl. See, there are lots of girls on this campus. You can get some. I can even fix you one girl today. What they wrong you?
See, make I talk you. If I get that girl, my guy, I don't go date any girl again. Scoff. Right now, I don't know if my heart, I don't know.
Adam, your rib go enter in one like that, you know. Guy, you fuck up. You are soon gonna be like this. Pam, 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 and they live happily ever after.
Restructure your brains, get up.
Get up, you get some deep chop at the hung.
I don't go chop, I don't go chop.
My guy, get up. Osman is in love!
In fact, Adi, I don't know what I have done to these 2 people. I don't know what I have done to them. I don't know what I have done to them.
Mr. Adi, you see, sometimes I look at you and I'm surprised. In fact, I can't bring myself to understand the fact that you are hailing the babu for the hard work of the monkey.
Who is the monkey?
You should know who the monkey is.
Who? Show me the monkey.
But what is that? And let me also tell you that the one who removed the tick from the cow is not the same as the one who just milks the cow.
The butterfly thinks it is a bird simply because it can also fly.
Listen, the 2 of you, we were in this college before you people came.
And it's good that we came to meet you. Because if you guys came to meet us, I'm sure you would not be in this institution.
Madam, who interviewed you?
You.
Yes, you were.
Mr. Buckley, who interviewed you?
And so now you are using the MLFO strategy. Look, the fact that you interview me does not mean you did me a favor. You took me for the job because I am qualified and I am fit for this job.
This is the worst decision I've taken in my professional life. To allow the two of you to work in this institution.
I thought you called this meeting to talk about the attack in the hostel. You're rather applauding him.
That is a different case.
The attack in the hostel is a different issue. You can raise the attack during other matters.
See, when it comes to serious issues, you always run away from them.
No.
But when glory comes, you want to carry it on your head.
We can discuss the attack issue during other matters. The agenda for this meeting is to congratulate Mr. Asari for helping find the money.
When you're ready to talk about the attack in the hostel, then you let me know. I won't be a partaker of this congratulation for nothing.
You leaving? Are you leaving?
It is the registrar. It's the registrar.
I'll send you a query.
What here?
She has banged the door.
The two of you see what you have done? This lady she has been here for the past 3 years. I've never seen her behave this way before. And today you are pushing her to the wall.
Mr.
And you see?
If I were you, I'll follow her.
In fact, Mr. Kwakli, leave too. You two leave.
Are you trying to sack me out?
Who are you? If the three of us continue to be here,
I hope it's the video.
It means one person will die.
And I don't think it is Mr. Asari.
At all.
Neither me. So who?
Oh, Cho.
So leave.
So the two of you, and you think you can do something to me?
Leave! Leave my office. Leave.
If you trust your beats, we will show you South African good.
My friend, leave. Leave my office.
Hey.
Hi, my name is Abna Adowa Amankwa, a product of GH Media School, and currently a news anchor at Pan African Television and a writer at GeorgeBritain.com. GH Media School is the best media school in the country. Talk of the massive training they give. That's the practical session and the theory session. I'll just entreat each and every one of you out there who wants to be a TV personality, a radio personality, a writer, just as myself, a marketer, or even a director, to just pick up a form at GH Media School. And trust me, all your dreams shall come to pass. GH Media School, pursue your talent, nurture your desire.
Yeah, Mr. Kwakli. You're welcome. Mr. Kwakli, how are you?
Benedito's today. How could be the problem?
Mr. Kwakli, everything is okay.
In fact, you are not looking as cheerful, as jolly, and as illuminated as I've always known you to look.
Mr. Kwakli, I'm fine. Why did you come here?
Benedito's today. How are you pretending like there is nothing wrong with you? You see, I belong to the school of thought that believes that there is no kind of problem that cannot be solved. If I be it emotional, be it spiritual, physical, or whatever, once it is a human problem, it can be solved. And the problem shared is a problem solved. Tell me, maybe I can be of help.
Mr. Kwakli, why did you come here? How can I help you?
Ade. I told you. In fact, today you have made me proud. You have really made me happy. Really? You have shown that you are the registrar.
Of course.
And the dean and the heads of departments are all under you.
Me, of course. How can I call for a meeting and you walk out on me in the meeting? How? I gave her a query letter and even copied the principal.
That's right.
Of course.
Oh, you've done well. You've done well. I was passing by the door. Right. He gave me a query letter. He gave me a query letter.
This is just the first half of what I have in store for them.
That's right. That's right.
This is just the first half. How can you be talking to us anyhow? As if you employed us. Whilst I am the registrar.
In fact, if you even have the opportunity, the principal, you send him a query letter. But make sure you don't send me a query letter. No.
Well, once you are not in a position to tell me your problem for me to help you out there, let me just go straight to the reason why I came here. But I did of today. In fact, today I've seen the greatest miracle ever in my life.
A miracle?
Yes.
What miracle is that?
The kind of miracle I've seen, even the miracle of Jesus Christ walking on water is second to that miracle.
Really?
I'm telling you.
What happened?
Can you imagine that I've conducted examination? You know, we do a class assessment, then we do a mid-semester exams, and then end of semester. And this is a student who was even coming for class. The student performed very poorly in my class assessment. Then mid-semester, and she didn't even bother to write. Then in the end of semester, she got a 2%. Now, I was just checking my records, my examination records, against that of the one from the head of academics and the one from the registrar. Only for me to realize that the student has gotten an A instead of getting an F.
What?
I am telling you.
How is that possible?
If you think I'm telling lies, you can have a look at it.
Mr. Kwakli.
She is called Emily said Opoku. That is it. Please Opoku right here.
Mr. Kwakli, are you saying, wait, this cannot happen?
Yes, you know I'm a very prudent man. Therefore, when I finish marking my script for the students, I do photocopy of all of them, script by script, I keep them in my cupboard.
How is this possible?
That is why I'm saying it is a miracle.
No, it's supposed to be F, and it's A.
If you have done a good work by finding the money in the hostel, now congratulations. Is it a sin?
Is it a sin?
Then you start flying up and talking anyhow.
Oh, go query. You query. And then you query. In fact, I practically too have to receive a query. We have to give him a first query, second query, and a third query.
Then the sacrifice.
I will submit the query letter and look at the reaction.
Yes, you have to find a way.
Don't worry, we will set the trap for him. Blah. Obeto say,
so you were saying that we have to
do. The wife is in the village. We have to bring that woman to this school. If you see Akpakli's wife, like one. Akpakli is here bragging. The head of linguistics department, who cannot even pronounce word linguistic.
You see, with Akpakli, I want us to deal with him proper.
Akpakli.
I even heard that Akpakli went to give a Agrika as a present.
Can you imagine? In fact, this call for jubilation. We have to celebrate.
Let's go to
Ayuja John.
Let's go.
Okay, so are you trying to tell me that something went wrong?
Something went wrong. But I didn't know that something went wrong.
How did this happen?
In fact, I am suspecting Mr. Adi.
Mr. Adi?
Yeah.
The registrar?
Yeah.
Mr. Adi?
Yeah.
How?
I'm suspecting it because
What are you doing here by this time?
Exactly. I'm supposed to ask you this question. Now, what are you also doing here at this time of the night?
Mr. Pakli, you have to know your place.
You see, this thing that you are coming out of somebody's office by this time of the night, are you sure that it is not one of your numerous payment, corrupt maneuvering?
Are you calling me a thief? Are you trying to call me a corrupt person?
Oh, this is interesting. We can use this against him. If Mr. Adi is manipulating the figures, and it's only through him that we can get what's right and what's wrong, I think we can hold him up to this.
If you think this can work, then we have to go ahead.
You know I'm the dean of students, right? And I go to every board meeting. I know what transpires. So if we use this against him, it will really work.
But I dean of students, once you are saying it can work, I am for it.
It will work, trust me.
You see, this is why I like you. You see, you are very intelligent, you are knowledgeable. In fact, you have in-depth understanding of the position that you are occupying.
This is the time for us to show Mr. Adi.
This is the reason why I keep telling you that you should agree to my proposal so that I can marry you. And I will never stop loving you.
Mr. Kwakli, please. That's the end of the conversation. Okay, we'll work on the plan, but the love thing, please. Let's go.
Don't you know a Kobra song? He said, I will be no one or be. And you are saying, I want to call your You see, I'm begging you to laugh.
Your wife, your mother will come to this school. You are looking at me like that.
I forget about what you say. I forget about it.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
We shall see.
Okay.
Take your book.